Thiess employees' positive attitudes drive success at Sangatta coal mine. Thiess was awarded a Life of Mine contract at Sangatta coal mine in October 2003, which is renegotiated every 5 years with Thiess's client, PT Keltham Prima Coal, KPC. The scope of works included in Thiess's contract provides a total mine solution for the pits allocated to Thiess by KPC. Jamzi Josal, project manager on the Sangatta coal mine project, talks about this.
The scope of work provided a total mining solutions such as mine planning, mine establishment, mine operations, and delivery coal to the designated ROM stockpile and rehabilitated mining and waste dump areas. Last year, production at Sangatta was about 90 million BCM of overburden and 12.2 million ton of coal. This is about 200,000 tons of coal exceeding the target. This year, our target is 105 million BCM of overburden and 50 million ton of coal.
By May 2008, the scheduled production target for that point in time had already been exceeded by about 284,000 tons of coal, despite the challenges presented by the site's unpredictable weather.
The Thiess workforce here at Sangatta, more than 2,000 employees, 12 expatriates, divided into 3 groups of crews, working in the basis of 2 by 12-hour shifts.
The Indonesian component of Sangatta's workforce is composed of largely unskilled locals and skilled non-locals, who Thiess accommodates in nearby Swagabara and Tanjungbara. Thiess was awarded its first contract at Sangatta in 1989. And at that time it was a very remote area and it was difficult to get local employees. 20 years on, and Sangatta is one of Indonesia's fastest growing centres, with about 200,000 people currently living there. Thiess is one of the most highly visible subcontractors of KPC in the Sangatta area, and as such has an obligation to offer support to the surrounding community. Of course, employment opportunities at the mine are limited, but in an attempt to accommodate locals, Thiess has introduced a recruitment system that gives preference to locals with local schooling. This recruitment system is mainly for unskilled labour.
In conjunction with the Technical High School at Sangatta, we recruit about 20 to 30 high potential people to be trained as a skilled labor, such as mechanics, electricians, or welder.
Thiess engages with the local community in many different ways. Through a local business program, Thiess utilises the support of 3 local tailors to manufacture uniforms for Sangatta coal mine employees. Other local companies supply survey pegs and a variety of goods and services to the project. Thiess, in a program with KPC, also provides some infrastructure to the surrounding villages, such as road improvements, clean water and repair of school buildings. Additionally, the mine staff offer a voluntary English teaching program in local primary schools for over 150 students each week. Coal mining in Indonesia is booming, driven by the international demand for coal. A lot of new mines are opening as a result, and competition for plant, equipment and workers is therefore running high. Thiess's successful strategy in this competitive environment has been to establish and maintain good long-term relationships with suppliers and the local community. With so many people working at the mine and the difficult character of the site, safety performance at Sangatta has been a key focus for the Thiess team. As a result, safety levels attained have been exceptionally good, with the project having just reached 2.5 years lost time injury-free. One of the safety initiatives rolled out last year by Thiess was Kerja Bugar training, which means fit for work training. It's about managing lifestyle to maintain a fit body and reduce fatigue. Thiess is conscious of the environmental impact of the Sangatta project.
In 5 months in this year, we have rehabilitated 56 hectares disturbed land.
Thiess also monitors all water discharges, dust, noise, waste and hydrocarbon emissions on a daily or weekly basis to ensure that acceptable national standards are met. Thiess measures performance at Sangatta with a broad range of key performance indicators, KPIs, including equipment productivity, equipment reliability and lost time due to injuries, just to name a few. As well as meeting all of these KPIs, Thiess must ensure the production is delivered as requested by their client to maintain their harmonious relationship.
We thoroughly manage all aspects of our performance to meet the client requirements and, of course, the company expectations.